never be forgotten. Prototype of this Lancaster cruise polygon from an early design that wasn't successful, that was the Lancaster, took to its first flight from Woodford in Manchester on the 9th of January 1941. What a typical flying the flight has had during the course of the summer after the tragic crash and death of Squadron Mark Long and the loss of the big fire. They worked so hard to get Lancaster back in the air to show their presence and keep the spirit of their motto, "We Forget," alive here today. The first squadron to receive the takeoff and operations was number 44 Squadron, that was on Christmas Eve 1941, quickly followed by 97 Squadron at Woodhall Spa. It's awesome today as it was in 1941. To the maximum level speed with a full load of 16,000 feet at 275 miles an hour to cruise routinely at altitude above 20,000 feet at a range speed of 200 miles an hour. Precisely what of course the Royal Air Force needed at that time. With a full bomb load, the aircraft had a range well in excess of 1,500 miles. The aircraft's performance, ruggedness, reliability, and to many a sheer charisma endeared its crew who were proud to fly this famous boat. Its design, of course, was established to within a short period, we believe, 11 years, into well into the design and early flight of the long model. And such a total of over 7,300 Lancasters were built between 1941 and 1946. Many of those Boston operations and also in training operations as well. The vast majority did not, or those that didn't survive the war were simply scrapped because service is no longer revered. But fortunately, back in 2014, if you were here for one of those airborne weekends, you would have seen the only other Lancaster flying here as well. That aircraft, of course, came across just for around 6 weeks from Canada. Time to bring the special aircraft around the country. Captain our front day is Flight Lieutenant Seth Davies. He's shifted alongside J.J. Jackson and with Neil Whitehead navigating the aircraft. But also on board to the engineers, absolutely essential to bring the engineers of course downwards, Richard and Owen Hughes, giving their support as well. Shepard himself was from 40 in Merseyside, studied aerospace systems engineering at the University of Southampton in 1998 and completed his elementary flying training through 1991 through to 2001, starting initially on Airshow. Alongside Seb, Flight Lieutenant James Jackson, studied marine science. Similar year, similar time they went to university, went to Plymouth and to the Air Force straight after that. And was awarded Royal Air Force 6-month scholarship at school and went with a bursary to study at Bristol University. One of the great things for youngsters here was you had to carry it down slightly slower flight. You get away when you know this look down there, there's the whole cavity. What a wonder. This particular aircraft, PA-474, was actually built in the British Army on board in the factory at Harvard, completed on the 31st of May 1945. And of course, that was just after the war in Europe. And so the aircraft was modified for Far East operations against the Japanese as part of the Tiger Force, and first flown in this configuration in August 1945. So fortunately perhaps combat operations had already ceased in the Far East, and the aircraft went into storage for just 3 hours and 10 minutes on the airplane. But in the spirit of their own motto, lest we forget. Let us remember that Lancaster did not carry the weight of the night bombing offensive against Nazi Germany on its own, but was also supported by other twin-engine bombers such as the Wellington and the other four-engine RAF heavy bombers, the Stern and the Halifax. Total number 175,000 American serving bomber command during the war. Over 17,000 bombers became casualties. They were killed, wounded or shot down and made prisoners of war.